Guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautiful decorative ideas and beautiful project flower plants pot and beautiful plastic pots with the crochet flower and as a decorative and as a gifting ways best idea and most beautiful latest looks. Here are simple crochet flower pattern for you, and crochet hoop size depend on your yarn choice and yarn in your distressed color. So I hope you like it my video and different finish of and wavy in the bluesy ends, and this crochet flowers can be used as an applique and sewed onto various projects or has a decorative elements in your crochet work. Feel free to experiment with different colors and yarn types to create a variety of colors and latest styles and latest ideas. So I hope you like it, and I can help you with design ideas. Please guys press the bell icon and keep sharing, watching my video and subscribe my channel, and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern and crochet pattern, the pillow cushions, covers and crochet sweater shirts and sweaters, hoodies, different ideas and little kids girls frocks. So I hope you like it my video. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and subscribe my channel, and please specify the type of design or the context you are interested in such